this is Deese. Hey, hi Deese.
Hi.
And these are the puppies. So those are the little girls. And if you call it the little boy, where is he? Come here, mate. Where are you going? Let's see if we can call him up, Deese.
Come on. Puppy. Come on.
Puppy, puppy, puppy.
Come on.
Let's
Come
see.
on.
Come on.
Puppy.
That's the way. Yes. Yes. So they're pretty friendly little puppies. They're only 5 weeks old. They're honestly happy little guys.
Puppy, puppy, puppy. Come on.
He's thinking about it. So they've only just come out of the kennel and they're going out on the veranda. They go out here. There's their siblings up there, mum's up there somewhere. So they're just getting used to the world, so it's all a bit worrying. But as you can see, they're very happy little guys. They're not frightened. They're just a bit confused. Hey puppies.
Puppy. Come on.
Yeah. Whoops. Hello. Hello. You come and talk to me. Oh, lovely. We'll move on from there. Oh, look at this one. There you go. How are you? They're gorgeous puppies. There's a little black girl. The one little girl's got white on it. Which one's got the white?
This one has a little white toe.
Little white toe. She got white on her chest. One of them's got white on her chest. Have you got white on your
Yes, this one.
Oh, that's the one. Yes, she's got a bit of white on her chest. And the other one's just solid black. She's having a rest. Okay. So there they are. Thank you, Deese.